Good morning, children. Welcome to today's maths class. Before we start today's class, let's revise what we learned in previous class. In previous class, we learned about fractions. Fraction is a number that describes a relationship between a part and a whole. Numerator. Numerator is the number of parts we have. Then denominator. Denominator means total parts in a whole. Numerator is the top number and denominator is the bottom number. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Now in today's class we are going to learn about comparison of fractions. And in today's unit we'll be comparing like fractions. First, let's recall like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions with same denominators. See, like here, the denominator 4 is same in each and every fractions. So, these are called like fractions. Now look at these examples of fractions with same denominator. 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. Now I will represent these fractions with pictures. As you can see, children, these are the pictures representing fractions 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. As here 1 is the numerator, so only one portion is shaded. 3 is the numerator, so 3 portions out of 4 are shaded. 2 is the numerator, so 2 portions out of 4 are shaded. We can see one more thing, children, that they all have denominator 4 as all the figures are divided into 4 parts. Now children, tell me that which of the picture has minimum portion shaded. The picture which has minimum portion shaded is actually smallest fraction. So, the first one means which has one portion shaded is the smallest fraction, that is 1 by 4. Which is the next, children? Yes, the picture with 2 portions shaded is the next one, that is fraction 2 by 4. And children, which will be the last one? Yes, the picture which has 3 portions shaded. So that means 3 by 4 will be the next fraction. Okay, children? Now, we can easily point out the smallest fraction, that is 1 by 4, and the biggest fraction, greater fraction, that is 3 by 4 among the given fractions. Now children, as we can see, denominators of all these fractions are same. Here it is 4, here it is also 4, here it is also 4. And these fractions are arranged in ascending order of the numerators. That is First is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3. As we can see that 1 by 4 is the smallest one, and then 2 by 4 is smaller than 3. So these fractions we have arranged in ascending order also, with the smallest fraction 1 by 4 and biggest fraction 3 by 4. Is it clear, children? So, to compare the fractions with the same denominators, actually we need to compare numerators. Now look at this another examples of fractions with the same denominators represented by pictures. As you can see, all pictures are divided into 10 equal parts. Now tell me, which of the picture has maximum portion shaded? The picture which has maximum portion shaded is actually biggest fraction. So the middle one means which has 7 portions shaded is the biggest fraction. So 7 by 10 will come first. Next, which picture has maximum after 7? Yes, picture with 6 portions shaded will come next. So 6 by 10 fraction will be the next one. Now tell me, which will come at the last? Yes, picture with 3 fractions, 3 portions shaded. So 3 by 10 will be the last fraction. Now children, as you can see, we have got the biggest fraction and the smallest fraction. So children, here these fractions are arranged in descending order. Now, as we can see, the denominators of all fractions are same. So, again here, what are arranged in descending order? Yes, numerators are arranged in descending order. So, to compare the fractions with same denominator, we actually need to compare numerators of the like fractions. So children, now can you write the fractions greater or smaller than the given fractions? Right. For greater fraction, you need to think of the greater numerator than the given fraction. But remember, it should be smaller than the denominator. So, the two greater fractions than the given fractions can be 4 by 7 and 5 by 7. And for the smaller fraction, we need to think of the smaller numerator than the given fraction. So, the two smaller fractions than the given fraction can be 3 by 12 and 4 by 12. So, these are the greater fractions than the given fraction, and these are the smaller fractions than the given fraction.